How to download and install Netflix app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing video streaming platform. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar. Search for Netflix. Select the first search result for Netflix app. Tap the install button. The Netflix app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Grant all the necessary permissions, then log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. Once you are logged in, you are all set to start using the Netflix app. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Netflix on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.